Let me ask you a question. Don't answer it out loud. If your income stopped today, how long would you survive? A week? A month? Or would one emergency completely wipe you out? Here's the truth nobody likes to hear. Most people don't stay broke because they don't make money. They stay broke because they buy the wrong things. Today, I'm going to show you 7 specific purchases that quietly build long-term wealth. Not overnight, not with luck, but with strategy. These purchases don't make you look rich. They make you free. If you're serious about escaping the broke cycle, watch this video till the end, because the last one is the foundation of everything else. Most people think wealth is about income. If I just make more money, everything will be fine. But that's not true. Plenty of people make good money and are still stressed, broke, and trapped. Why? Because wealth isn't built by how much you earn. It's built by what you buy with what you earn. Every purchase you make is doing one of 2 things. Either it's pulling you forward or it's holding you back. And rich people understand one simple rule. If it doesn't grow me, pay me, or protect me, it's probably costing me. The 7 purchases you're about to learn follow 3 core principles. 1, they invest in you. 2, they use compound growth. And 3, they avoid depreciating liabilities. Let's start with the most powerful. Your first wealth-building purchase is a side hustle. Not scrolling social media, not waiting for a promotion, not hoping your boss notices you. A real side hustle. Now, here's the mistake most people make. They think side hustles are free. They're not. Successful side hustles often require upfront investment, a laptop or equipment, website hosting, software tools, or a course to learn a valuable skill. And that's okay, because unlike random spending, this money has upside. Your 20s or even your early 30s are the best time to do this because you usually have fewer responsibilities, you can take calculated risks, and you have time to recover if you fail. Learning one high-income skill, like coding, digital marketing, video editing, sales, or automation, can increase your income for decades. Think about that. One smart purchase today can pay you back for the rest of your life. That's not spending, that's planting a seed. If you're getting value so far, hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people trying to escape the broke cycle, just like you. And if you want content about building wealth the smart way, make sure you subscribe. Now let's talk about how money itself starts working for you. The second purchase is one of the most boring and most powerful wealth tools in existence. Diversified index funds. This is not gambling. This is not guessing stocks. This is not hype. This is letting time and compound interest do the work. When you invest through tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA, you unlock an unfair advantage. Here's a simple example. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 22, by retirement age, that money can grow to over $1 million. Why? Because compound interest rewards patience, not intelligence. Index funds have low fees, spread risk across hundreds of companies, and grow with the economy over time. You don't need to be smart, you need to be consistent. This is how average people quietly become wealthy. This one surprises people. A plane ticket can be a wealth-building purchase if used correctly. Let me be clear, this is not about luxury travel. This is not about flexing on Instagram. This is not about going into debt. Strategic travel builds confidence, independence, adaptability, and global perspective. When you step outside your environment, your thinking expands. You meet people, you see how others live, work, and earn. You discover opportunities you didn't know existed. Many successful people trace their biggest breakthroughs back to exposure, not money. And when used responsibly, travel rewards credit cards can build your credit score, help fund trips, and teach financial discipline. Travel done right doesn't drain you, it grows you. Let's talk about education. Not the kind that leaves you buried in debt, the kind that increases your value. Books, online courses, workshops, mentorship.
Skills like coding, digital marketing, sales, copywriting, data analysis. These skills don't expire. Unlike traditional degrees, they cost less, take less time, and adapt faster to the market. And once you learn them, they compound. Knowledge is a rare asset. It can't be taken from you, it grows with use, and it increases your earning power. Smart people invest in skills before lifestyles. Quick question, which of these purchases surprised you the most so far? Comment below. I read every comment. Now let's talk about one of the biggest wealth builders ever created. Real estate has created more millionaires than almost any other asset. Why? Because it combines three wealth engines: appreciation, rental income, and leverage. One powerful strategy is house hacking. Here's how it works. You buy a duplex or multi-unit property. You live in one unit, you rent out the others. Your tenants help pay the mortgage while you build equity. You're not just saving money, you're positioning yourself. Real estate rewards patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. And no, you don't need to start big. You need to start smart. This purchase alone separates people who look rich from people who become rich. Transportation. A car is not an investment, it's a tool. Buying a flashy new car with a big monthly payment is one of the fastest ways to destroy wealth. Instead, buy a cheap, reliable car, 3 to 5 years old, Honda or Toyota level reliability. Here's the math. Avoid a $500 monthly car payment and invest that money instead. Over 30 years, that decision alone can build over $600,000. That's the price of trying to impress people who don't care. Wealth whispers, debt screams. This is the most underrated wealth purchase of all. Your health. Quality food, regular exercise, proper sleep. Without energy, focus, and mental clarity, you can't build a side hustle, you can't think long-term, and you can't enjoy the money you earn. Health is a force multiplier. It improves discipline, confidence, and decision-making. What's the point of financial freedom if your body can't enjoy it? Your health is not an expense, it's an asset. Let's recap. Wealth isn't built by accident. It's built by intentional purchases. The wealthy don't buy things to look rich. They buy things that grow them, pay them, and protect them. Most people buy liabilities. A few buy leverage. Now here's the truth. You don't need to do all 7 at once. You just need to start with one. Momentum does the rest. If you're serious about building long-term wealth, don't just watch, take action. Subscribe for weekly videos on money, investing, and escaping the broke cycle. Like this video so more people see it, and comment wealth if you're committing to smarter purchases starting today. And if you want a step-by-step 12-month wealth plan or flashcards to memorize these principles, or a slide deck you can follow daily, let me know in the comments. Your future self is watching the choices you make today. Choose wisely.